When we think of spring cleaning, we often focus on closets and countertops, but what about our minds? Today we're joined by Josette Sullins, founder of 17th Floor VIP. Josette, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me. I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite topics.
So tell me a little bit about your own journey, and you're the founder of 17th Floor VIP, so tell me about this.
Okay, so to make it really quick, I grew up with a lot of trauma, and so hence I wanted to figure out things like what's going on with my body, what's going on in the world, and here I am teaching it and working and helping people.
Yeah. And I mean, just from the website alone, you guys are, the 17th Floor VIP is based in Phoenix, but you guys travel all around. But I mean, this seems like just, a once in a lifetime experience. You guys offer some incredible services. So tell me about 17th Floor VIP.
So up here on 17, we love it. It's a very amazing floor. It's all exclusive. We have a lot of different VIPs, anywhere from celebrities to first responders, anyone that wants to go ahead and get more out of their healthcare, but don't really want to sit in like a healthcare environment. And
Mhm.
so it's a gorgeous floor. We offer everything from holistic type of health to allopathic. We talked a little bit earlier. We offer like cognitive therapy, all types of different treatment that you may need.
Mhm. And obviously, spring cleaning, it's reorganizing your space, making sure that you're, going into the seasons with, a fresh and clean environment. But why is it so important for also to use this time of the year to spring clean our mind and get out that mental clutter?
Well, for one, we have that big boost of spring air. I mean, it's just natural for all of us to want to clean. I mean, that's why we do. Some people don't clean all year, and then they take spring the springtime to get some things done. But if you hold on to baggage, you can see what it does in your house. It also weighs you down, and you're just not using your resources to their fullest capacity.
Mhm. Now, what are some simple techniques or things that we can do in our everyday life to help us spring clean our mind?
I think one of the biggest things to think about is, do I want to clean a table or do I want to clean a house? So get a little bit, like how much do you want to work on yourself?
Mm.
Like keeping hydrated though, making sure that you're getting plenty of rest, making sure that you're exercising. You want to be able to stabilize and have some balance before you really dive in. And when you do dive in, you want to make sure that you are ready in that you can go ahead and be able to stabilize if you start doing some internal work and you're like, whoa, I did not think that was here. Because we all still have to work, right? And carry on with our daily lives.
Absolutely. And now, one of the many services you offer, we mentioned earlier, I mean, you from A to Z, you guys cover it all, but you guys offer this thing called deep therapy. Tell me about this. I've never heard of anything like this before.
It's interesting. We've been doing this again for about 30 years, and we built the entire business on this treatment. We didn't even have clinics, study, or anything, but people just loved having this. So, what it is it's a licensed proprietary technique that helps balance the parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. But what is happening is you're going in and addressing areas and stages of delays. We all have them, no matter how developed we are. We always have areas that we need to work on. And so, what this treatment does is help you get chronologically current in the current moment. So that's why spring cleaning is a great topic. But with that, in order to do it, we don't do it like from a cognitive behavioral health or an ACT format. What this is the body. We listen to what the body has to say, and being able to see all these different delays, being able to connect to them, we really free up a lot of space inside.
And I feel like anyone and everyone could benefit from spring cleaning. Josette, thank you so much for spending time with us today. 17thfloor.vip is where you can go for more information. It was a pleasure talking to you today.
You as well. Thank you.
We're back in 2 minutes.